If you're tired of phones that are too bulky, foldables with visible creases ruining the experience, or expensive flagships with durability concerns, you need to see this. Today, we're counting down the 5 best foldable phones that deliver innovative form factors, flagship performance, and improved durability. From compact flip phones to productivity-focused book-style folds, these devices prove foldable technology has matured beyond early adopter experimentation. Whether you're seeking portability, multitasking capability, or cutting-edge innovation, we've got the perfect foldable phone. I've dropped updated links in the description. Let's get into it. At number 5 is the Xiaomi Mix Flip Global version at $800 to $1,000. The Mix Flip features large 4-inch external display, providing extensive functionality without unfolding. The cover screen enables messaging, camera control, and app usage. The internal 6.86-inch foldable display uses 𝗟𝗶𝘃𝗀𝘂𝘀 technology with 120 Hz refresh rate. The Snapdragon processor delivers flagship performance. RAM includes 12 GB. Storage ranges from 256 GB to 512 GB. The camera system includes dual 50-megapixel lenses with Leica optics. The large cover display serves as viewfinder for selfies using main cameras. Battery life is solid with 4,780 mAh capacity. The 67-watt fast charging provides quick top-ups. The hinge feels robust with smooth folding action. For users wanting large cover display or anyone seeking Xiaomi's foldable innovation, this delivers compelling experience. The limited availability and less established ecosystem place it at number 5. At number 4 is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 at $900 to $1,100. The Z Flip 7 features improved cover display size, enabling more functionality. The 3.9-inch external screen supports widgets, notifications, and quick replies. The internal 6.7-inch foldable display includes enhanced durability with reduced crease visibility. The 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate provides smooth scrolling. The Snapdragon processor delivers flagship performance. RAM includes 8 GB to 12 GB. Storage ranges from 256 GB to 512 GB. The camera system includes dual cameras with improved low-light performance. Battery life improves with larger capacity supporting full-day use. The IPX8 water resistance protects against water damage. The Armor aluminum frame enhances durability. The Flex mode enables hands-free video calls. For users wanting compact, foldable, fashion-conscious buyers, or Samsung ecosystem users, this delivers refined flip phone experience. At number 3 is the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra at $900 to $1,100. The Razr 50 Ultra features the largest external display among flip phones at 4 inches. The cover screen runs full Android apps without limitations. The internal 6.9-inch foldable display includes virtually invisible crease thanks to advanced hinge design. The Snapdragon processor provides flagship performance. RAM includes 12 GB. Storage includes 512 GB. The camera system features 50-megapixel main sensor. The cover display integration enables using main cameras for selfies with full camera app functionality. Battery life is excellent with 4,000 mAh capacity. The 68-watt turbo power charging provides incredibly fast charging. The hinge engineering reduces crease visibility dramatically. For users prioritizing cover display functionality, anyone wanting minimal crease visibility, or Motorola fans, this delivers exceptional flip phone experience. Coming in at number 2 is the Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold at $1,700 to $1,900. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold features book-style foldable design with 8-inch internal display. The large unfolded screen provides tablet-like experience for productivity and media consumption. The 6.4-inch external display functions as regular phone when folded. The Google Tensor chip with AI capabilities delivers excellent performance. RAM includes 12 GB to 16 GB. Storage ranges from 256 GB to 512 GB. The camera system is flagship pixel quality with computational photography excellence. The multi-camera setup includes telephoto and ultra-wide lenses. The Google AI integration provides advanced features including Magic Editor, Best Take, and real-time translation. The multitasking capabilities enable running multiple apps simultaneously. The productivity features include desktop-like experience. Battery life handles full day with 4,800 mAh capacity. The 𝗖𝗶𝗍𝘂𝗃 water resistance provides protection. The software optimization for foldable form factor is excellent. For productivity users, Google ecosystem enthusiasts, photography lovers wanting pixel cameras, or anyone seeking AI-powered foldable, this delivers exceptional large-format experience. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7, earning this position by delivering the best overall combination of productivity, performance, durability, and ecosystem integration. Pricing runs from about $1,800 to $2,000. The Z Fold7 features refined book-style design with 7.6-inch internal display and 6.4-inch external display. The internal dynamic AMOLED 2X screen provides exceptional quality with vibrant colors and perfect blacks. The 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate ensures smooth experience. The under-display camera technology improves with minimal visibility, maintaining screen immersion. The crease visibility reduces significantly with improved hinge engineering. The UTG ultra-thin glass technology provides more glass-like feel compared to plastic displays. The display durability improves with enhanced protective layer. The brightness reaches high levels, ensuring outdoor visibility. The Snapdragon processor delivers desktop-class performance, handling intensive multitasking, creative applications, and gaming. RAM includes 12 GB to 16 GB, providing exceptional multitasking capability. Storage ranges from 256 GB to 1 TB. The performance enables true laptop replacement workflows. The S Pen support is comprehensive with low latency, enabling natural writing and drawing experience. The stylus integration serves note-taking, digital art, and productivity. The pressure sensitivity enables creative workflows. The S Pen folds with device or stores separately. The camera system is flagship level with triple rear cameras including 200-megapixel main sensor, ultra-wide, and telephoto with optical zoom. The under-display camera enables unobtrusive video calls. The Flex mode enables hands-free photography and video recording. The camera quality matches S-series flagships. The multitasking capabilities are industry-leading with up to 3 apps simultaneously in split screen. The drag-and-drop functionality enables seamless content sharing between apps. The taskbar provides quick app switching. The desktop-like experience rivals laptops with external display support. Battery life is impressive with dual battery system providing all-day performance despite large displays. The 25-watt fast charging provides reasonable charging speeds. The wireless charging and reverse wireless charging add convenience. The durability improvements include 𝗖𝗶𝗍𝗃𝗃 water resistance, armor aluminum frame, and Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The hinge rating withstands hundreds of thousands of folds. The build quality inspires confidence for daily use. The folding mechanism feels premium and precise. The Samsung ecosystem integration is unmatched with seamless connection to Galaxy devices. The continuity features enable starting tasks on phone and continuing on tablet mode. The Samsung DeX provides desktop computing experience. The integration with Galaxy Watch, Buds, and other devices creates cohesive ecosystem. The software optimization is exceptional with apps scaling properly to large display. The Flex mode optimization enables unique use cases. The one-handed operation improvements make external screen functional. The software updates ensure long-term support. What makes the Z Fold7 number 1 is delivering complete productivity solution in pocketable form factor. The large internal display provides genuine tablet experience for creative work and media consumption. The S Pen support enables professional note-taking and digital art. The multitasking capabilities rival desktop computers. The performance handles demanding workflows without compromise. The camera system provides flagship photography in foldable form. The durability improvements ensure confidence in daily use. The water resistance protects investment. The ecosystem integration creates seamless experience across Samsung devices. The software optimization maximizes foldable potential. For productivity users wanting laptop replacement, creative professionals needing portable workstation, business users requiring multitasking capability, Samsung ecosystem enthusiasts, or anyone wanting absolute best foldable phone available, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7 delivers exactly that. The combination of massive productivity-focused display, S Pen support, desktop-class performance, flagship cameras, exceptional durability, and comprehensive ecosystem integration makes it the best foldable phone you can buy right now.